Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Monday Motivation series. The person that we are going to talk about today is none other than Justice Indu Malhotra. The success story of Justice Indu Malhotra is one that every lawyer aspires to relive. In an occupation in a field that always struggled with gender representation, Justice Indu Malhotra became a torchbearer for women. She became the second woman to be designated as a senior advocate in the Supreme Court. Seeing her meticulous hard work, the apex court was prompted to elevate her as a judge directly from the bar, making her the first ever woman to hold such a designation. In her tenure in the Supreme Court, she became a part of some of the most important judgments of her time. First one being the Navteej Singh Johar case, which decriminalized homosexuality. She was of the opinion that Section 377 of the IPC that criminalizes homosexuality is violative of the fundamental rights, as it criminalizes an act, a sexual act, which is happening in private between two consenting adults. She was also a part of the constitutional bench on the Sabrimala issue. She, being the only women judge, gave a dissenting opinion stating that the restriction of entry of women in the Sabrimala temple was not violative of Article 14 and it was a valid custom. She was also a part of the case of the Joseph Shine case, which talked about adultery and which decriminalized adultery, in which she opined that any criminal sanction should be given when there is a public element involved in the offense, which was not the case in adultery. Anybody who has witnessed Indu Malhotra, Justice Indu Malhotra, in the Supreme Court and has been to her court would describe her as firm but really calm and composed. She was never aggressive in her approach, and she always encouraged junior members of the bar to come forward, and she would always give them opportunities. What I find the most inspiring about Justice Indu Malhotra is the fact that she would never shy away from giving a dissenting judgment. Even when she found herself standing alone holding those judgments, she never compromised with her values and with her principles. Let me know what are your thoughts on Justice Indu Malhotra and the judgments that she's been a part of and the opinions that she's held in her tenure in the Supreme Court. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and contact us on our one-stop contact given in the description box below. Thank you very much.